Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to explain about the hybrid inheritance and hierarchical inheritance. In my previous video, I explained about the single inheritance and multi-level inheritance. Now let's understand what is hybrid inheritance and hierarchical inheritance. So here, hierarchical is like tree structure, which I said before only. We'll be having one parent class. For the one parent class, we'll be having the two children, which is child 1 and child 2. So for the one parent, we'll be having the two children. Yes or no? So this is the hierarchical. Again, for this also we can extend this tree. Yes or no? For this A, again we can have two more children or one children. For this also we may have more than two children or one children. We can extend in the form of a tree structure. So this is known as a hierarchical inheritance. Now, hybrid inheritance is in the form of a this structure. So look at this diagram very carefully. So a is nothing but the parent for the only B, not for the C. So we'll not have any connection between A and C. We have only relation between A and B. So A is a parent for the B. B will be acting as a child for the only A. Now B and C are the parents for the D. So D is the children for the B and C. So this is known as multiple inheritance. Yes or no? So only this, which is B and C. Okay, look at here now. See, so this B and C is a parent for only the child D. So look at here, this thing is known as multiple inheritance. So look at this diagram and this diagram. So here also A and B are the parent for the C. Here also B and C are the parent for the D. So we can include this multiple inheritance in the hybrid inheritance also in this way. Okay. So this is about the hybrid inheritance and this is the hierarchical inheritance. So let's see this both things practically. So first I am going to explain the what is hierarchical inheritance. Hierarchical inheritance means we'll be having only one parent for the one parent but two children. Okay, let's see practically. Yes, let's consider this previous example only. So we'll be having only one parent but we have two children. Okay, let's change this to puppy 1 and we'll consider the children's are two, like puppy 1 and puppy 2. These are the two children's for the animal. Okay, yes sir. Now for the puppy 1, the parent is animal. For the puppy 2 also parent is animal only. Okay, look at here this diagram. So for the B also parent is C. For the B also parent is C. As or no, for the A also B is A. For the A also C will be acting as a parent and for the B also C is only the parent. Okay. Yeah. We have only one parent but two children. Okay. Now let's see. Yeah. Now look at here. For the child class only we have to create the object creation. Yes. But here we have a two child classes. So now we can create the two object creations. For one for the puppy 1 and one for the puppy 2. As for now we can create the two object creations. Let's consider this one is OBJ1 and this is for the puppy 1 object creation. So in the puppy 1 what are the methods we have, what are the functions we have? Demo and the speak. So we have to keep only demo and speak. We have to remove this thing. Why? Because in the puppy we have only this both. Okay. Now simply we have to use for the puppy 2 also. Okay. Yeah. This is for the puppy 2. Yeah, sorry. Yeah, puppy 2. Next. So let's change this to the this 2. Yeah. Now this is fun. And in the puppy 2, what are the functions are there? We have one is bark. Okay. One is bark. Bark. Yeah. And one more is we have parent as animal. So what is the function in the animal? Demo. So we have to call the demo function also. Now let's see what will be the output. See the output very clearly, don't get any confusion. So it will be, let's split this thing so that you can understand more clearly. Um let's divide with this. Okay, now let's try to run. Now let's see. Yeah, this is a puppy 1 and this is puppy 2. So for the puppy 1, when we call the speak function, we got the output as I am parent. Next, demo. What is the demo? Animal is a parent. So this animal is a parent. Next, for the puppy 2, we have bark and demo. What is a bark? I am child. So I am child. And for the demo, we have animal is a parent. So animal is a parent. So these are the two things. So in this way we can use. So this is known as the hierarchical inheritance. So where we have only one parent, but for this one parent we have two children. These are the two children for the single parent. And to create the object, we have to create the two object creations because here we have two children. So for the each children we have to create the object. Yes or no? For the each children we have to create the object. So this is one object creation and this is one object creation. So now let's try in different way. Okay, now here we extend B, which is child 2 of the parent C. So for the B also we can extend two more children. Yes or no? We can extend the two more children. At that time the B will be acting as a parent. Now so we'll be using this puppy 2 as a parent for more two children. Let's copy this thing. Yeah, yeah, okay. Mm. Let's take the example as A and B. Okay, A, B. So this A and B is the children for the puppy 2. So we have to specify the parent of A. What is the parent of A? Which is puppy 2. And what is the parent of B? Which is puppy 2. So for the parent of B is also the puppy 2. Okay. So we'll change here as text test 1 and test 2. So here it is I am child. I am a child of puppy 2. Okay. Similarly, I am B child of puppy 2. Okay. So what we have done here, we have taken the puppy 2 as parent for A and B. Okay. So now what we have to do? Now let's take one more this thing so that for you it will be somewhat clarity. Now let's take, yeah. Now here this A and B are the children classes for the puppy 2. So now to access these functions which are there in the A and B class, we have to create the object for the both the child classes, which is A and B also. Okay, so let's take as okay, let's take one more thing, but here this is A and this is B child. Okay, this is the A class and this is the B child class. A child class and B child class. What are the functions are there in this? So one is puppy 2 class is having bark function. Okay, let it be the bark. Okay, we have to keep the bark as it is. And in the A in the A class, what is the method we have? Test 1. In the B, we have test 2. So we have to specify this thing. Yeah, specify test 2. Okay, done. And we have to change this object also. No, let's say this is 3. Okay, yeah, this is 3. Now this is, let it be 4, 4 and 4. Okay, now let's see the output. Yeah, we are getting I am child and I am B child of puppy 2. I am A child of puppy 2. Okay, yes, okay, got clarity. Now let's try to add one child for the A also. Okay, yeah, now let's see. Okay, for the puppy one, we'll be adding one more child. Okay, yes, we'll add the child name as C. Okay, we'll be adding only one child for the puppy 1, and C is the parent of puppy 1. And let's take the test as 3. Yeah, I am C child of puppy 1. Okay, for this C child class also we have to create the object creation. No, yeah, now let's do the object creation for this thing also. Yes, yeah, so let's consider this thing as 5 and the child, what is the child over here? C. Okay, now let's take the child name which is C, child class name which is 5. Yeah, 5 and 5. So now we have to see what is a method, what is a function in the puppy 1. So in the puppy 1 we have speak. So we have to use the speak only. Okay, yeah. And what is the method in this child class which is test 3? Yes, test 3 also. Now let's see. Yeah, we are getting am parent, am C, child of puppy 1. So this is known as hierarchical inheritance, so which is in the form of a tree structure. So for more clarity, we'll be specifying here. Let's take print. What we'll be writing here? It's yeah, puppy 1 is parent of puppy. Sorry, here it's animal. No, yes or no? It's animal. Yeah, animal is parent of puppy 1. Okay, similarly here we have animal is the parent of puppy 2. So the puppy 2 is a object creation. So here animal is the parent of the puppy 1, where the puppy 1 is a child, so that we have created the puppy 1 object creation. In this condition, animal is the parent for the puppy, animal is the parent for the puppy 2. So we have created the object creation for the puppy 2, which is puppy 2 is the child class. Okay, done. Now we have taken puppy 2 as parent for the A and B. No, so now here the parent is puppy 2. Puppy is a parent 2 of A. Now here the A will be acting as a child. Similarly here the puppy 2 will be acting as a parent for the B also. Next, here the puppy 1 will be the parent for the child C. Okay, here puppy 1 will be acting as a parent for the child C. I think now you will be getting more clarity. Now let's run. Yeah, now look at here. First one, animal is the parent for the puppy 1, and even animal is the parent for the puppy 2. Okay, now it's, yeah. Now let's see. Animal is the parent of puppy 1. Animal is parent of puppy 2. So animal will be acting as a parent for 2 child classes, which is puppy 1 and puppy 2. For the 2 child classes, the animal is only the parent. Okay. In this we have two things, which is am parent and animal is a parent, and the two things will be executed. Now look at here. Here we have puppy 2. So which is the child of animal. Again, now the puppy 2 will be acting as a parent for the A, and puppy 2 will be acting as the parent for the B also. Yes or no? Puppy 1 and puppy 2 will be acting as a parent for the both child A and B. Okay, done. Now here puppy 1 will be acting as a parent for the C. Before, the puppy 1 is a child for the animal. Now the puppy 1 will be acting as a parent for the child class C. Okay, this is known as hierarchical tree. So this thing I will be showing you by diagrammatically, so that you will be having more clarity. Yeah, I'll take whiteboard. Okay, now let's use here. So first we have taken the animal. So this animal will be acting as a parent for what? For the puppy 1 and for the puppy 2. For the puppy 1 and puppy 2, animal is a parent. Yes or no? The animal will be acting as a parent. Here puppy 1 and puppy 2 are the childrens. This puppy 1 and the puppy 2 are the childrens for the only a parent. Here again we have divided the puppy 2 will be the parent for both the classes, which is A and B. Yes or no? Here this A and B will be acting as children. This A and B will be acting as the children for only puppy 2. Here in this condition, puppy 2 will be the parent. Okay. Now if we come to this puppy 1, this puppy 1 will be having only one child, which is a C. So here the C is nothing but the child, and this puppy 1 will be acting over here as a parent. In the before condition, this puppy 1 is a children for the A, child for the animal. Now here this puppy 1 will be acting as a parent for the C. Okay, this is the graphical representation of this thing. So now I think you got a clarity about this thing. Okay, and this is about the hierarchical inheritance. So in this way we can try many ways. Okay, we can try in many ways. I think we have out of time. Let's I'll be explaining this hybrid inheritance in my next video, and I think you understood about this hierarchical inheritance. If you have any doubt, please mention in the comment section, and I will be explaining the hybrid inheritance in my next video. And that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Let's meet in next video.